How to add a bass shake effect on your videos. But wait, let me show you what kind of effect I am talking about. Pretty cool, huh? So let's see how to do that without wasting any more time. As you can see here, I have a video clip and the audio file in my timeline, but this is not just an audio, this is a beat music I have right now. So what we will do is we will add the shake effect right exactly on the beats. To do that, first we should analyze our music. Let me play it for once. Alright, so that's enough. I've analyzed my audio and you can just double click on this side area to preview the graph. And you can really see these spikes showing the beats in the music on every second. So let me zoom in a little bit. To add the shake effect, go to your project menu, right click and select the new item and go for adjustment layer. We will add adjustment layer. Make sure your settings are same as for your video requirement. Hit OK and grab this adjustment layer to exactly the first beat effect like this. Grab it and place it on your timeline. And here's my first beat. Now go to effects tab and type in directional blur. Here you can see under the video effects directional blur, and there is one more directional blur which is a third-party plugin I'm using right now, but we will go with the basic one. Just grab and drop it to the adjustment layer. The reason we're using the adjustment layer is because we don't want to waste our time by adding these shake effects for every single beat in the music. For example, if you have a 3-minute video, this would take like 3 hours to do that. What we're gonna do is we will add 2 to 3 shake effects for 1 or 2 beats and we'll copy them for the rest of the beats in the music. So okay, now go to the start point of the adjustment layer, select the adjustment layer in the effects control tab, change the blur length to 30s. And you can see our video is now a little bit blurry, and you can go for 50 or 100. This totally depends on the video and the beat effect in the music. I will go for the 50. And now what you have to do is just zoom a little bit more. Go 1 frame forward by pressing the right arrow key. Select the cut tool by pressing C on your keyboard. Make a cut on that. Go 1 more keyframe forward and make a cut. 1 more. Make a cut. 1 more. And do it a few times. Now press the V key to get back to the move tool and delete the rest of the adjustment layer. Now zoom in a little bit more and delete the every second part of the adjustment layer. Select this one, press delete, 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 and we will delete this one as well. Okay, shall we see what this looks like? Pretty cool, huh? As I said earlier, we will copy these ones for the rest of the beats. Select all of them, go to your next beat in the music. The playhead should be at the start point. Select these parts, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag them to the playhead like this. Look for the another beat and do the same thing like this. Hold the Alt key and drag them to the next, and do this for the other ones. Okay, so that's enough, I guess, and let's see how this looks. And there you go, that's how you create a bass shake effect for your videos. So I hope you like this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome stuff. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.